With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's start with the question. The question states column 1 and column 2 we have to select the correct option from the given codes. Column 1 says Bulliform cells, guard cells, lenticels, subsidiary cells, and column 2 says regulate opening and closing of stomata, aerating pores in the bark of the plant, rolling in and out leaves, and accessory cells. So we have 4 shuffled options over here. Okay, now starting with what is bulliform? What are the bulliform cells? So bulliform cell are the cell that is spread among the leaves, epidermal cell. Okay, so they are essential for the water storage. Okay, so during the stress circumstances, that is during transpiration, the bulliform cells assist to roll the leaves to avoid water loss. And this is through the transpiration process. So therefore, they control the process of transpiration. So in that case, the correct option should be A, is bulliform cell is rolling in and out of leaves. So getting further, what is guard cell? What are the guard cells? So plants basically breathe and sweat, that is through their stomata. Okay, so which is regulated by the guard cells. The stomata is regulated by the guard cells. Okay, so guard cells have a very important job, that is opening and closing of stomata. Okay, now what happens is they facilitates the gas exchange for the photosynthesis and help in minimizing the water loss. Okay, in that case, the guard cells is to first one, that is regulate opening and closing of stomata. Getting further, the C part, which is lenticels. Now, what are lenticels? These permit the exchange of gases, that is between the environment and the internal tissue spaces of the organs. Okay, so they basically permit the oxygen, and they permit the entrance of the oxygen, and they permit the output of the carbon dioxide simultaneously, and even the water vapor. So in apple fruit, the lenticel count for up to 21% of the transpiration. Okay, the lenticels are basically found as the raised circular, oval, or elongated areas that is on the stem. Okay, in that case, the lenticels, what are the lenticels? So in the woody plants, lenticels commonly appear as a rough cork-like structures on the young branches, or we can say underneath them, that is a porous tissue. That is the porous tissue. Okay, so that creates a number of the large intercellular spaces between the cells. So in that case, the lenticels is to the second one. Okay, when we talk about the subsidiary cell, now what are the subsidiary cell? These are basically the epidermal cells. These are the epidermal cells that borders the or that protects the guard cell. So these are subsidiary cells. These are the subsidiary cells. So these are basically the accessory cells. So in that case, the correct option states to be the first one, which says A is to 3, B is to 1, C is to 2, and D is to 4th. Option A is the correct option. I hope my answer is clear to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.